Welcome to Quiz Time Brain Boosters, where curiosity meets the right answer. What is the name of Harry Potter's owl? The correct answer is Hedwig. Hedwig was a snowy owl given to Harry by Hagrid before his first year at Hogwarts. Which house at Hogwarts values courage and bravery above all else? The correct answer is Gryffindor. Gryffindor's founder was Godric Gryffindor, and its emblem is a lion. What position does Harry play on his Quidditch team? The correct answer is Seeker. As Seeker, Harry's job is to catch the golden snitch, ending the match. Who is the Half-Blood Prince, as revealed in the 6th book? The correct answer is Severus Snape. Snape's mother, Eileen Prince, gave him the nickname he later used in his old potions textbook. What type of creature is Buckbeak? The correct answer is Hippogriff. Buckbeak is cared for by Hagrid and later helps Sirius Black escape. What is the core of Harry Potter's wand? The correct answer is Phoenix Feather. Harry's wand shares a phoenix feather core with Voldemort's wand, both from Fox. Who teaches potions during Harry's first 5 years at Hogwarts? The correct answer is Severus Snape. Snape later becomes the defense against the dark arts teacher in the 6th book. What is the name of the Weasley family's house? The correct answer is the Burrow. The Burrow is located near the village of Ottery Street Catchpole. Which magical object did Voldemort not turn into a Horcrux? The correct answer is the Elder Wand. The Elder Wand is one of the 3 Deathly Hallows, not a Horcrux. What is the name of Hagrid's giant 3-headed dog? The correct answer is Fluffy. Fluffy guarded the Philosopher's Stone in the 1st book and could be calmed by music. Who is the ghost that haunts Gryffindor Tower? The correct answer is Nearly Headless Nick. His full name is Sir Nicholas de Mimsy Porpington, and he died from a botched beheading. What form does Harry's Patronus take? The correct answer is Stag. Harry's Patronus takes the same form as his father James's Animagus form. Which subject does Professor Sybil Trelawney teach? The correct answer is divination. Trelawney delivered the prophecy that led Voldemort to target Harry as a baby. What is the name of the newspaper read by the wizarding community? The correct answer is the Daily Prophet. The Quibbler, edited by Xenophilius Lovegood, is a smaller and more eccentric publication. Who kills Albus Dumbledore at the end of the 6th book? The correct answer is Severus Snape. It is later revealed this was done under a prior agreement with Dumbledore himself. What creature guards the vaults at Gringotts Wizarding Bank? The correct answer is dragons. Harry, Ron, and Hermione escape Gringotts on the back of a dragon in the final book. What is the name of the village located near Hogwarts, famous for being the only all-wizarding settlement in Britain? The correct answer is Hogsmeade. Third-year students and up can visit Hogsmeade on certain weekends. Which spell is used to disarm an opponent, famously mastered by Harry? The correct answer is Expelliarmus. This spell becomes closely associated with Harry throughout the series. What is Voldemort's real name? The correct answer is Tom Marvolo Riddle. His name is an anagram for, I am Lord Voldemort. Which magical sport is played on broomsticks with 4 balls? The correct answer is Quidditch. The 4 balls used are the quaffle, 2 bludgers, and the golden snitch. Who becomes the Minister for Magic after Cornelius Fudge? The correct answer is Rufus Scrimgeour. Scrimgeour served during much of the events of the 6th and 7th books. What magical plant is used to cure people who have been petrified? The correct answer is mandrake. Mandrake roots resemble a human infant and let out a cry that can be fatal if heard. What is the name of Draco Malfoy's father? The correct answer is Lucius Malfoy. Lucius Malfoy was a prominent Death Eater who was later imprisoned in Azkaban. Which object allows Hermione to attend multiple classes at once in the 3rd book? The correct answer is Time Turner. The Time Turner lets its user travel backward in time in small increments. What is the name of the prison guarded by Dementors? The correct answer is Azkaban. Sirius Black famously escaped from Azkaban, an unprecedented feat. Which professor is revealed to be an imposter, replaced by a Death Eater using Polyjuice Potion, during the 4th book? The correct answer is Alistair Mad-Eye Moody. The real Moody was held captive while Barty Crouch Jr. impersonated him using Polyjuice Potion. What does the Marauders map reveal? The correct answer is the real-time location of everyone in Hogwarts. It was created by Harry's father James along with Sirius Black, Remus Lupin, and Peter Pettigrew. Who is the founder of Slytherin House? The correct answer is Salazar Slytherin. Slytherin famously valued ambition and cunning, and the house's symbol is a serpent. What is the name of the giant spider that lives in the Forbidden Forest? The correct answer is Aragog. Aragog was raised secretly by Hagrid while he was a student at Hogwarts. How many Horcruxes did Voldemort intentionally create, not counting the accidental one? The correct answer is 6. Voldemort intended to split his soul into 7 parts total, with Harry becoming an accidental 7th Horcrux. Quote for the day: "Knowledge is power," by Francis Bacon. Awesome work! Did you beat the clock? Share your score below. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.